From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, June 17th. Well, much like the short-term forecast period, the medium range period is going to be dominated by the sprawling upper-level ridge over the central and eastern United States, and thus a continuation of the successive long-duration heat wave. In fact, I expect the hottest conditions and highest temperatures during the period to actually be reached from Friday into Sunday. Humidity levels will also be at their highest during this time, so heat indices will likely soar into the low 100s over the weekend. So without further ado, let me jump right on into things here and start by taking a look at the GFS model for 2 p.m. on Thursday. And what you'll notice here really over the course of this medium range period is a general common theme. You've got this large surface high pressure system over the western Atlantic, and this persistent broad southwesterly flow on its backside will continue to pump this hot and excessively humid air into the mid-Atlantic states. So after a brief respite on Wednesday, I expect highs on Thursday to be back in the low 90s. Another day quite similar to Tuesday. Dew points will creep back into the mid to upper 60s. So heat indices on Thursday will likely be back in the mid to upper 90s, but things really get cranking then from Friday through at least Sunday and perhaps even into Monday. So as you take a look at the Euro model here, this is a 5-day average of what the upper levels look like, really starting on Wednesday and ending on Sunday. So what you'll notice here is that the core of that upper level jet stream ridge is centered smack overhead right over the mid-Atlantic states. So with that ridge right over our head, well, again, we're going to have that large scale subsidence or sinking motion, and the air is going to compress and heat up dramatically and quickly late this week into the upcoming weekend. So as we take a look at the GFS and the Euro model on Friday, same thing here. High pressure system's in control. It's actually going to shift a little bit farther south and east. The wind direction should shift more to the west or southwest late in the week and over the weekend, and as a result, you're going to get that additional downsloping compressional effect off the eastern slopes of the Appalachians. So with that being said, high temperatures from Friday through Sunday should be in the mid to upper 90s across northern Maryland and the lower Susquehanna Valley, and dew points may even creep into the low 70s at times during that period. So that would promote heat indices in the low to mid 100s, somewhere between 100 and 105 degrees, and it's not out of the question the heat indices actually creep up into between 105 and 110 degrees at times, either on Saturday or Sunday. GFS and Euro are in very good agreement here through the end of the weekend, really just showing that ridge of high pressure system in control through Sunday afternoon. Finally, by Sunday afternoon and evening, there may be some light at the end of the tunnel as a cold front moves into the eastern Great Lakes region and the Ohio Valley, but I don't expect that to sweep through southeastern PA until late in the day on Monday or Tuesday. So not until late on Monday or Tuesday do I expect this heat wave to ultimately break. So again, like I mentioned in the short-term forecast video, it's going to be imperative to follow all the heat safety tips this week and understand the symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke and know how to appropriately respond to them. And again, never leave children or pets unattended in a vehicle, because on a 90-degree day, the internal temperature of a car can reach 120 degrees without the windows being down in just 20 minutes. So imagine how quickly that can occur on a 95 or a 100-degree day. But anyhow, for the medium range Campus Weather Service forecast, mostly sunny, hot and humid on Thursday, high 92. Very hot and humid on Friday with sunshine and a few clouds, high 96. Very hot and humid again on Saturday with blazing sunshine and patchy clouds, high again 96. And then looking forward into Sunday, partly to mostly sunny, blazing sunshine, once again hot and humid, highs in the mid to upper 90s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the medium range forecast video. Tune back in Monday for the latest edition. Until then, stay safe this week and into the upcoming weekend with this excessive heat over the region. And again, make sure to stay hydrated, drink plenty of fluids, and take frequent breaks from the heat in an air-conditioned room or building. You're going to need to do that. It's going to be imperative in order to prevent heat-related illnesses. So stay safe out there, everyone.